This is Igbo Area TV.
Hello. Governor Obiano of Anambra State bans Okada in Onitsha and Awka. Governor Obiano of Anambra State bans Okada in Onitsha and Awka. In a statement issued by James Eze, the chief press secretary to the governor, Obiano said all commercial motorbikes Okada operators in Onitsha and Awka, the capital city of Anambra State, have been given until July 1, 2018 to change to another thread or vacate the two cities for good. It was one of the many resolutions from the meeting of the Anambra State Executive Council on Tuesday, May 22, 2018. The statement says the ultimatum given to Okada operators in the two cities was part of the overall strategy adopted by the state government to deepen its crackdown on crime and restore sanity to Onitsha and Awka. With the above directive, all Okada operators in Onitsha and Awka will cease to exist by July 1, 2018. This was reported by AIF Media. Bakassi indigenes to observe Biafra Day May 30th. Bakassi indigenes to observe Biafra Day May 30th. The Chief of Staff of the Biafra Nations Youth League (BNYL) and leader of displaced Bakassi youths, Linus Essien, has disclosed that the people of Bakassi will partake in observing 30th May to celebrate Biafra Day. Essien said that the BNYL has gone wide in sensitizing the people within the Bakassi Peninsula, especially areas ceded to Cameroon in line with the BNYL programs. We are not violent, and we have not seen reasons to be, he said, urging the people of Bakassi to emulate the Igbo that have proved to be tired of Nigeria. Our people have suffered under the Nigerian government. We are no longer regarded as part of Nigeria, and in Cameroon, we are not welcomed. Bakassi lies in the bite of Biafra, and I am declaring publicly that we are Biafrans by nature, he declared. He disclosed how the security agencies intimidated members of the group, adding, "We run our organization's administration in Bakassi, and we have come under intimidation by the Nigerian forces, me and the BNYL leader, Prince Will Chimezie Richard, but we will overcome." Bakassi will from now be celebrating Biafra Memorial Day. Court declares Innoson Motors chairman wanted. Court declares Innoson Motors chairman wanted. A special offences court sitting in Ikeja, Lagos, has declared the chairman of Innoson Motors Nigeria Limited, Innoson Chukwuma, wanted following his continuous refusal to attend court proceedings for his alleged fraud trial. Justice Mojisola Dada issued the bench warrant for his arrest after he failed to appear in court for his arraignment for the 5th time. Mr. Chukwuma, who is standing trial in the matter between his company and the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC), had previously failed to make an appearance in court for his arraignment on January 17, February 9, March 14, and April 25. He was arraigned alongside his company for allegedly forging documents to facilitate a clearing of some goods at the port. Specifically, he was alleged to have forged documents purportedly emanating from GTB Bank. The issue, however, degenerated as Innoson alleged victimization and harassment by the EFCC and GT Bank. During the proceedings of March 14th, it was revealed that Innoson had petitioned the National Judicial Council (NJC) over Justice Mojisola Dada, the judge trying the case. At the recent proceedings, the EFCC counsel Anselm Ozioku said, "This appears to be the 5th time this matter is coming up before your lordship for arraignment." The learned senior advocate of Nigeria representing the second defendant, Innoson, is still insisting on taking his application without ensuring the defendant is physically present in court. The question is, where is the second defendant? Is it too big for the court? Is it too big for the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Is it too big because he has money? Where is he? What my learned friends, the defense counsel, are doing is contemptuous. We shall be applying for an order to declare the second defendant wanted, he said. In granting Ozioko's request, Justice Dada said the second defendant is hereby declared wanted and the case adjourned until June 22 for possible arraignment. Ndị bai ụnọ na anụ ife a na-ekwu ọkwa ụnụ na-anụ o setigo ndị bai ọkwa ụnụ na okwu adagharịgo kelee ife unu chere. Please, we want to hear your contributions on this. The whole thing has turned against Innoson from the way things are going now. Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You can also visit our Facebook page and like the page. You can join our Facebook group, Igbo Area TV. God bless you and bye for now.